Hello, this is Brandon, and I'm about to take my racing lawn tractor on a drive. There's my lawn tractor. It's not too bad. It does about 20 miles an hour. I'm gonna start it now. It's a little loud, so here's a speed test. This lawnmower used to have an 11 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor. It blew up, so I replaced it with a 13 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Intech motor. It's not too bad. I mean, all I did to get this thing to go that fast, I changed that pulley right there. It's a 2.5-inch pulley, and I had that running off of about a 3-inch pulley. I could make it faster, but it's already going about 20. There's another look at my old tractor. And that concludes this video.